Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you have an Android TV at home, some of you might remember this Android TV remote control app that helped control the TV from the phone. The app was not that great looking and had no update for a very long time. Finally, Google totally replaced that app with a new Google TV remote. To use this new remote, first of all you need to install the latest Google TV app on your Android phone. In some phones, it might still be shown as Google Play Movies and TV if you have not updated the app. So make sure to keep the app updated. Once you have the app installed, you will be able to find the remote accessible in the notification toggles. It will be named as TV Remote. If you don't find it in the available toggles, you can click on the plus icon and you should be able to drag it to the existing toggles like this. Another way to access the remote is by opening Google TV app and you will find the remote icon at the bottom right corner. If you can't find it there too, you can check the Google Home app and the shortcut for remote should be listed below the Android TV's control. So once you open the remote from any of the above three methods, you would find this connection interface where it shows the available devices in the network. Make sure to keep the TV and the phone on the same Wi-Fi network. I have the OnePlus TV and Shield listed. The app would detect Android TV or Google TV of any brand if it's in the same network. Once you tap on the device you want to connect, it will open a pairing request with code for authentication. The code is not case sensitive, so just enter the code from the phone and the phone will be ready to control the TV. And this is how the new revamped Google TV Remote UI looks like. On the top right you have the power button to put the device to sleep and wake up with just one tap. Next to that there is an option to select the control type. By default you have the swipe control. There's a large area at the center to swipe in any direction you want to navigate around the TV's interface. And then tap on the phone screen for selection. As you can see, it's pretty smooth and the response is very good. Now if you navigate to any text search field on the TV that supports external keyboard, you would even get a keyboard pop-up on the phone's UI to enter the text directly from the phone. If you switch to the D-pad controls, you have the navigation buttons and OK button at the center just like the physical remote. You can choose whichever control type you find comfortable. The swipe is more easier to navigate and use without seeing the screen. Then below that you have back button to take you to the previous screen and home button to take you to the Android TV home screen. In the bottom we have a dedicated mute button to mute and unmute the TV. Controls to increase and decrease the volume too. As you can see, it works perfectly well. You can also control the volume by pressing the hard volume keys of the phone while you keep the remote app open. And finally there's the Google Assistant button to do voice search directly from the phone and show results on the TV. Here are a couple of commands for demo. Search for Mr. Mobile on YouTube. If you have more than one Android TV at home, you can tap on the device name at the top and select the other devices to switch to it. So that's a quick demo of the new Google TV Remote UI. When I compare it with the OnePlus TV Connect App, the UI of the Google TV Remote looks more polished and materialistic. But the features are obviously limited to basic controls. Option to open settings or app drawer or input connections are missing. Hope to see them also included in the future. Do let me know in the comments if you like the remote interface or not. Also, if you find the remote app to be constantly crashing, open it from Google Home app. It seems to work better somehow.
Make sure